Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today is quick and easy meals and this is the October all pumpkins recipe. So guys, this is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Debbie Bubbles, and myself, Deborah Cabasa. And this is the edition that we gotta make a pumpkin recipe, anything pumpkin. So I decided I'm going to make pumpkin loaded cookies. What do you mean loaded? Loaded with all the yummy stuff in it. So I'm going to tell you what you're going to need. I'm also going to leave the recipe in the description box. But I'm going to leave the recipe the way it is, okay? But I'm going to be changing mine because I want to, and you could too. All right, guys, this is what we call pumpkin spice monster cookies. So you are going to need 1/3 cup unsalted butter, third of a cup of pumpkin spice peanut butter. I didn't have pumpkin spice peanut butter, but I make my own. Just add the pumpkin spice, stir it, okay? Half a cup of sugar, half a cup of brown sugar packed, 1/4 of a cup of pumpkin puree, which I have here, and it have to be pumpkin puree, 100% pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling. Okay, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra, 1 egg room temperature, 1 1/4 cup of old-fashioned oats. I did not have old-fashioned oats, so I'm using quick oats, and 1/4 of a cup of quick oats. So you're going to need both kinds, the old-fashioned oats and the quick oats. I'm using all quick oats. It does not matter to me. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of M&M. I do not have M&M, so I'm using trail mix. The trail mix that I use has sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, fruit, um, almonds, cashews. So I'm using that trail mix. Half a cup of chocolate chips, which I do have, and then half a cup of peanut butter. Remember, it's half a cup of pumpkin spice peanut butter. I make my own, and then half a cup regular peanut butter, which I have both here. I'll show you. This is the one that I mixed with my pumpkin spice. And then this is my half a cup of plain peanut butter. All right. So we're going to start by putting our egg in the mixer. With your sugar. Let me bring everything over here, guys. With the sugar, and we're going to beat that together into well combined, okay? So guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. So we're going to do that. And in between, make sure that you scrape your bowl, okay? So let's grab a spatula. Make sure that you scrape your bowl in between. Let me move you guys close. Hold on. All right, guys. I added my 1/4 of a cup of pumpkin puree, and I added my butter. So make sure you combine that really good. Also, I want to add my vanilla. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1 teaspoon. Yeah, 1 teaspoon. I also want to start adding my peanut butter. I also want to start adding my peanut butter. Let's start adding the one with the pumpkin spice. Okay. And let's add the regular peanut butter. All right. Mix well into combine. In here I have my chocolate chips and my trail mix. See? And you guys can see it there. I put everything all in there. Yeah. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my salt and my baking soda. Mix well. Everything smells so good, guys. Scrape your bowl. I'm going to be changing my I'm going to be changing my balloon, my whisk for my paddle. Okay, everything is well mixed. Oh yes. All right, I got everything. Okay, okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my oats. And mix together. I forgot my quarter of a cup of flour. Hold on. Yeah, I did. I forgot my flour. Hold on, guys. I added my flour, so now we're mixing again. You're going to mix it until you don't see any white streaks from the flour. Okay. I got flour all over me. Make sure that in between you scrape your bowl, okay? Oh yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to start adding my chocolate chips and stuff. Okay, that's not gonna work. Hold on. I forgot that this thing comes off. That's it. All my ingredients are in there. I'm going to mix them really good. Then what you're going to do, you're going to put your dough in the refrigerator to rest from 15 to 20 minutes. You could roll it in a log, or you could just leave it on the bowl. I may roll mine in a log. You use the plastic wrap. Use the plastic wrap. You could make 2 logs or just 1 big log. And then I'm going to put it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. All right, guys? So I'll see you then. Well, here is one of my logs. And here's the other one. Okay? Guys, also this dough freezes really good. You could freeze it for up to a month. Or you could just like half bake your cookies and then put them in Ziploc and then freeze them. It's up to you, but I usually, if I am going to freeze dough, I freeze it like so. I wrap it in the plastic and I put it in double freezer bag and I leave it in my freezer until I'm ready. But a lot of you guys that follow me know the sweet does not last in my home with my husband. So I will be putting this in the refrigerator. I'm not putting it in the freezer. I'm putting it in the refrigerator to cool it down, okay? So we're going to take it from there when I bring you guys back. With YouTube magic, it will be maybe a minute. All right, guys. This is the little log. This is this mini cookie that I made from the small one. So you can make your cookies smaller, but it doesn't matter in my house. So I'm making them this size. So we're going to bake these cookies for 12 to 15 minutes. These are soft, chewy cookies. Now, you leave them longer, they are going to get hard and they might even burn on the bottom. All right, guys? So what you see over here on the thing, these are ribs. I'm making dinner as well for my husband. So, there they go. For 12 to 15 minutes. I gotta remember that, 12 to 15 minutes. So I see you when the first batch comes out, guys. Guys, next batch of cookie going into the oven. And this is what the cookie looks like. They are delicious. It tastes delicious. Oh my goodness. You could take the pumpkin, you could taste the vanilla, the peanut butter, the oats. This is a cookie that if you make it, you are going to love it. Well, I'll see you in a minute. So guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say, and this is the final veal. Of course, I do have more cookies in the oven. I made a total of 21 cookies. If I would have made this one smaller, of course, I would have made the 25 cookies, but I made 21 cookies. So guys, here they are. They look absolutely delicious. I guarantee that if you made this recipe, you are going to love it. And of course, if you are allergic to peanuts, you're gonna have to find a different recipe. So guys, let me leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye, guys. Enjoy the recipe. It's going to be in the description box below with the other host.